Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this session, we will see how to work with a delete request on Postman application. So for that, I will create a new request with the help of new button here in the Postman. Click on get request. So and name it as delete request. So if you want to provide any description about your request type, so just provide the description in the request description field and add it to the collection. So for that, I'm using the existing collection which we have created earlier. So and change the type of HTTP method here to delete. So I'm using the requests which are already available in request URL. So I'm using this. So here we can observe this is the target URL which we are going to hit for deleting operation. And once we hit that URL, so this response will be generated as do not go without any response in the body field. So let's do this. So here it has showing some data. So if we perform the operation of delete on this URL, this data will get erased from the server. Okay, I'm just copying here. And if you perform the send operation, now this URL gets hit and it will perform the delete operation. So now we can see the status code as 204 and no content. So it means it is successfully processed and it is not returning any content. So here we can see in the body it is not showing any response, and we can see the time as well as the size of the data which we received. So we got only the header information and body is 0 bytes. So like this we need to use when if you want to delete any record or any enrollment from your front-end application in the server or in the database. So we need to perform the delete operation on front-end. So the API takes the request and it will hit the server and it will perform the delete operation in the main applications or in the production environments. So like this we need to use the delete request for testing. So based on the contract which we are receiving from the dev team, so we need to validate the parameters which are like headers or any body response along with the status codes. So that's all for now. I hope you like the video. Please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.